Hello, my peoples. I know I've been inactive in doing just some streaming, but I am back with Fred right here, my brother. And this is going to be an amazing video right here. I'm going for 300 views and 20 likes on my Scherf. And if you're watching this on Scherf Science, let's go 20 views and 5 likes, right, Fred? But this video is going to be mind-blowing. We have collected some swamp water right here, and there are all kinds of creatures in this swamp water. Fred, let's point out a few here.
Right, there is the bloodsucker. I can't tell if it's dead or alive.
Can you move your hand so I can see it right there?
I don't know.
Yeah, there's a bloodsucker right there, and there's some other little random creatures zooming around in here.
Snail?
And there is this little bug right here. Right there. Very small, teeny bug. Kind of blurry right now. But this bug is about to be enlarged. What do you want to get next here?
How about a worm?
Which one? Get it.
This one.
Can you let me see what you're doing here, Fred? You hold your hands away. We can see. Filming's a little bit more blurry than usual because I'm filming on.
I got it.
I'm filming on iPad due to my phone being used right now for some microscoping. There's a nice worm in there, though. Let's put this on. Here's this worm we just got on from the swamp water. At 100 times. I'm kind of going through its body right here. Oh, you can see its insides.
Oh,
it's moving. This is Where you going, Mr. Wormy Worm? You can see its inside. Let's get a brush and get this thing back on the slide. It's kind of cruising off my slide a little bit. As you can see, the background is no longer clear. Back on. There's, I think that's its head right there, yeah.
maybe it's not.
Yeah, that's its head.
Yeah, it is.
Go through, oh, there's its tail, right? Or its head, right? This is a pretty awesome creature.
Yeah.
Let's go to our next one. My brother is catching another one of his swamp creatures. We will be back to you when it's on the microscope. We are back with some strange larva thingamajigger. You can kind of see it's almost shrimp-like. Let's see if we can get this thing to move around a little bit.
It's moving its legs.
I wish I could make this slightly less multiplication on it, but unfortunately 100 times is the least I can go, and any more would just be ridiculous unless you want me to zoom in on its legs. Let's do it. Fred, zoom in on its legs.
What?
600 times.
I can't see anything.
I can't either. Oh, here we go. We're going back to 100 times. Okay, this is actually at 600 right here. It's a little bug. Slight, you can see its silhouette mostly.
It almost looks like a weevil.
I'm trying to make a run. This bug took a very long time for us to actually get on the slide, like almost 15 minutes. It's so small you can barely see it. And it's very annoying. Let's see if I can get a better view of this thing. There we go. See here. Oh, got some details going now. Let's enhance this a little.
It's upside down.
I can see that. Should I try to enhance this slightly? Fred, you're kind of in the screen in path right now. Actually, I'm gonna keep it in black and white, and then enhance with. There we go.
Look at its eye.
Okay, I think I'm gonna end the video. My system's being slightly problematic. Fell apart a little. I'll try to have a better rigged system next time. If a single person comments that they want another video like this, I will do it. I'll do another video on microscopic videos if a single person comments it. And this is the kind of video that's always going to be on Scherf Science, and I'm going to have more of these on the _Scherf. This time I kind of did it on a whim at 15 minutes notice, but if I do another one, it'll be the same length, but have like 15 bugs in it, and it's going to be completely awesome. So please leave a like and subscribe, sub to Scherf Science and the _Scherf for more videos. And is that about all, Fred?
Yeah.
And it here. See ya, people. Scherf out.